Hello everyone, it's Brian from Home Painters, and I'm really happy to be showing you an amazing project that we just did for a client. Basically, the client had a room that was just framed and they needed a drywaller. They couldn't find anyone, so they went online and found us, and it turned out to be great. We had it scheduled in less than a week, and it took us less than, I believe it was 4 days, including the painting, to get the whole job done. So the first thing we did was we boarded up the walls and ceiling, or drywalled. Basically hung the drywall. That took us about a day and change. We had corner beads. We installed corner beads, plastered, taped all the seams to make sure everything was smooth, sanded it all out. And then of course after that we primed and painted everything to finish it all off. Like I said, it turned out to be 4 days roughly. Customer was really happy because it was done so quickly.
So here we have a reform. This was originally, I believe, the kitchen. It's going to be a different kitchen. So the client here ripped out some walls, the ceilings and this wall, and kept some original walls, maybe those two here. And so it was framed. So we put up the drywall. Now I'm taping and fixing some of the old walls, and the next step will be painting tomorrow, sanding and painting.
So if you like what you see, we can definitely do this for you also. Please call us at 416-494-9095, and thanks so much for watching.